Hello friends, it's me again, your favorite ThredUp unboxer, just sitting on the floor like a weirdo like I always do. Today we are going to be doing a, hold on, mixed shoe rescue box, 15 pairs. Okay, so I have not looked at this yet other than to use some scissors to open the tape, so I have no idea what's inside, so we will be just as excited viewing as I will be sharing. Well, we hope it's exciting. All right, we got our polka dot tissue paper that we love. All right, first thing on top is a super cute pair of Sperry's. They look like they're in excellent condition. They are leopard print. They are a size women's 6. Super cute leopard. I'm gonna scooch closer so you can see. Forgive my dogs, they're gonna be running around through this. Next thing I see is one of my all-time favorite brands to source and sell, Vionic. They are a size 11. They are a women's snakeskin flat. They look to be in excellent condition. I don't see any wear really on them other than they've been worn, but they look to be in excellent condition. The next thing is a pair of Badgley Mischka. Oh, these are really beautiful. They're a size 8.5. They're like a champagne, almost like a wedding shoe, but the design on them is really beautiful. They have like this really nice rhinestone detail. And the next thing I see is a pair of boots. Oh, Jeffrey Campbell, really cute. Size, women's size 9. Great news, we have 2 of them. They look to be in excellent condition. I don't really see any wear on them, so that's great. And then, everyone's favorite brand from when they were in junior high, Soda. I had about 452 pairs of these. Some really cute wedges. They are a size, I don't know. They're in a size we don't know, but I will discover that later. All right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, I see some cute Toms. I am a big Toms lover. A little bit of wear, not a lot. Really pretty red, size 8. Those are cute. Okay, we got some Michael Kors sneakers. These are in really great shape. They're a tan leather. They are a size 10. I might be trying these bad boys on. Those are cute. A mixed number 6 pair of sandals in size 8. I think if I'm not mistaken, this is Nordstrom. So they're a little bit of like a higher than a kitten heel with a wrap that goes around the ankle. Oh, a crowd favorite. These are very cute. These are a size 6.5. Very, very good condition, made well. They have a little bit of a heel, like a sueded leather slide. We got some Kelly and Katie's, some blue size 8, very high heels. Those are cute. We got another pair of Toms. These are a size 6. They're that burlap almost material. Really, really good condition. Very lightly used, almost no wear on them. Some Sam Edelman sandals. Size 7.5, also in very good condition. They have some rhinestones on them and they're a totally flat sandal, which is my kind of sandal. Oh, these are cute. I've actually sold almost an identical pair to these. These are Marc Fisher. They are a size 7.5 also. I'm just gonna show one. So they're a wedge with a macrame, and then they have the buckle and they're a mustard yellow. Overall, really good condition. Couple marks. I'll probably put my husband up to the task to try and clean those because they look like they're a suede. Okay, not mad at this. A pair of Stuart Weitzman heels. These are a size, they're little, they're a size 5.5, but they are in very, very good shape. So they're a kitten heel, excellent condition. I see really no wear on them. They barely look even worn on the bottom. And last but not least, what are we? Charlotte Russe. also my middle school days. They are a really cute style. They're a size 8. So there's a couple marks on them, so I think I'll probably donate. Oh wait, no, hold on. It seems to be coming off by just rubbing them. So they're cute. They kind of lace up in the front. They do not look like they've really ever been worn before. So those might be good for whatnot. But that's my box. I want to say 15 pairs is $80 for ThredUp. I'm not great at math, so whatever $80 divided by 15 is, somebody out there will probably comment it. It'll probably be my husband. So overall, a really good box. $5.33, he screams from his desk behind me. But that's that. It's a great box. I find really that I often have good luck with the ThredUp shoe boxes. I know sometimes people get some that they're not really thrilled with, but overall I usually find that if I buy one, I get 1 or 2 pairs that covers the entire box. In this case, I definitely think that would be true. So highly recommend it, and then tune in soon because I'm going to be opening up my 25 mixed pieces of